Imagine two teams building a massive bridge over a dangerous river. The first team rushes to finish as fast as possible to win a race. It looks amazing, but it wobbles whenever a heavy truck passes by. The second team does something different. They spend years testing the soil, peer-reviewing their blueprints with global scientists, and making sure the foundation can never collapse. In the world of cryptocurrency, that second bridge is called Cardano. While other blockchains move fast and frequently break down, Cardano took a slow, scientific approach. But in a fast-moving market, can slow and steady actually win the race, or has it waited too long? I'm Sina, and I create simple, easy-to-understand, and high-quality videos explaining hard financial subjects in short, clear format every week. Subscribe to my channel for more high-quality and simply explained videos. Also, like the video to help me and my channel to grow. To understand Cardano, we have to look at why it was created. It was founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the original creators of Ethereum. He realized early on that early blockchains faced a massive riddle called the blockchain Trillemma. This means it is incredibly difficult for a digital network to be highly secure, completely decentralized, and lightning fast all at the same time. Cardano's vision was to solve this by using an approach never seen before in tech: academic peer review. Every line of code and every major upgrade must be thoroughly reviewed and tested by top scientists and university professors before it goes live. Think of it like cash in an envelope. Instead of using a traditional bank account style that can be prone to software errors, Cardano uses a secure system modeled after Bitcoin, but upgraded to run complex automated agreements called smart contracts. This protects users from unexpected fee spikes and network crashes. So, what is the best thing about Cardano that makes it completely unique compared to its competitors? It comes down to true ownership and privacy. Most major crypto networks today are quietly controlled by a small group of wealthy venture capitalists. Cardano is different. It has entered a phase called the Voltaire Era, meaning it is now entirely decentralized and fully governed by its own community. Regular users elect representatives, and no single company can alter the network. Even better, Cardano is launching cutting-edge systems to fix major real-world problems. For example, its new Midnight network acts as a privacy shield, allowing companies to protect sensitive data while still proving they follow financial laws. At the same time, massive speed upgrades called Ouroboros Leios are rolling out to make transactions incredibly fast without ever sacrificing safety. When looking at its investing potential, Cardano relies on strong fundamentals rather than temporary hype. A staggering 59% of all Cardano tokens are actively held and supporting the network. Why? Because Cardano has a unique feature where you can earn rewards on your tokens safely from your own digital wallet with zero risk of your funds being locked up or stolen. Instead of chasing temporary internet trends, Cardano is focusing on long-term utility, like building secure frameworks for AI digital payments and corporate identity security. It is built for endurance, not just a sprint. I want to know what you think. Do you prefer crypto networks that move fast and take big risks, or do you prefer the safe academic approach of Cardano? Drop a comment below. I read and reply to as many as I can, and your support means the world to a growing creator like me. If you want to know what are the best crypto projects that you can invest and their investing potential, check out the playlist you see on the screen. Love you guys. See you in the next video.